Well guys, it's finally here, the package I've been waiting for. And I'm assuming you guys have no idea what I'm talking about when I said it's finally here. What I'm talking about, guys, is I finally ordered a good pair of sunglasses. I got them off eBay, and yes guys, I caved and I got a pair of Ray-Bans. I think I got them for a good deal. They seem to be real. I authenticated them online, so I'm pretty confident that these are real. So let's open them and see how they look. All right guys, here we go. Here is the box. Ray-Ban sunglasses. So let's open these babies up and see what they actually look like. So again, I got these off eBay, guys. I spent about maybe $70 for these with free shipping. So I'm kind of excited to see what is actually in this case. I have no idea. They could be fakes. They may not be Ray-Bans, like I said, or they could just really be a knockoff brand pair of sunglasses, guys. We're not going to know until we open it and find out. So let's open it up. I haven't done an unboxing in a while, guys, so I'm kind of excited about this. So there you go, guys. Here's the package. Never hide. And we're going to open these up. I apologize for the bad angle. I'm going to work on getting a wider angle lens. The lens on this Panasonic Lumix is really not that good, guys. By the way, guys, this did come with a Ray-Ban booklet, and it also came with a cleaner to actually clean the lenses. So there's only one thing left to do, guys. So let's try them on and let me know what you guys think and how they look, because I'm not really too sure yet. I ordered the 54s, 54 millimeters, but the 55s came in the mail, so I'm unsure if I want to keep these or not. I did email the seller and I said, hey, I ordered the 54s, you sent me the 55s, you know, is it possible I can return them and get the smaller lenses? But I don't know, guys. Let me know what you guys think. So let's try them on and give me your honest opinion, guys. Drop me a comment. So here we go, guys. All right, guys, well, I have them on. So what do you guys think? These are the 55 millimeters. Like I said, I ordered the 54s, but I don't know, guys. I'm kind of digging these. You know, Ray-Ban really makes a good product, and you know, they're not as dark as my $15 Walmart lenses. By the way, those sunglasses that everybody's been commenting on in prior videos, I accidentally sat on them at my son's baseball game. I took them off to put some suntan lotion on, and I sat on them. So I was like, what the hey, let me buy a good pair of sunglasses. So I went on eBay and I found these Ray-Ban Justin style lenses, and I don't know, I kind of like them. They're maybe a little bit too big on me, but I guess I can, you know, grow into them, I guess. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. So there you guys have it. You guys wanted to see a little vlog, so I did a little vlog and an unboxing. So let me know what you guys think. If you guys like today's video, please give me a thumbs up. As always, guys, later.